Greetings, dear listeners. My name is Serikbayev Syrym, and today our broadcast is dedicated to engineering economics. Engineering economics, previously known as engineering economy, is a subset of economics concerned with the use and application of economic principles in the analysis of engineering decisions. As a discipline, it is focused on the branch of economics known as microeconomics, in that it studies the behavior of individuals and firms in making decisions regarding the allocation of limited resources. Thus, it focuses on the decision-making process, its contexts and environment. It is pragmatic by nature, integrating economic theory with the engineering practice. But it is also a simplified application of microeconomic theory, in that it assumes elements such as price determination, competition, and demand supply to be fixed inputs from other sources. As a discipline, though, it is closely related to others, such as statistics, mathematics, and cost accounting. It draws upon the logical framework of economics, but adds to that the analytical power of mathematics and statistics. Engineers seek solutions to problems, and along with the technical aspects, the economic viability of each potential solution is normally considered from a specific viewpoint that reflects its economic utility to a constituency. Fundamentally, engineering economics involves formulating, estimating, and evaluating the economic outcomes when alternatives to accomplish a defined purpose are available. Considering the time value of money is central to most engineering economic analysis. Cash flows are discounted using an interest rate, except in the most basic economic studies. For each problem, there are usually many possible alternatives. One option that must be considered in each analysis, and is often the choice, is the do-nothing alternative. The opportunity cost of making one choice over other must also be considered. There are also non-economic factors to be considered, like color, style, public image, etc. Such factors are termed attributes. Costs as well as revenues are considered for each alternative, for an analysis period that is either a fixed number of years or the estimated life of a project. The salvage value is often forgotten, but is important and is either the net cost or revenue of decommissioning the project. Some other topics that may be addressed in engineering economics are inflation, uncertainty, replacements, depreciation, resource depletion, taxes, tax credits, accounting, cost estimations, or capital financing. All these topics are primary skills and knowledge areas in the field of cost engineering. And now our broadcast is over. Please subscribe to this channel. That was your host, Serikbayev Syrym. Goodbye.